So welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you the full song tutorial for J Ma. It's very short and the chords are A minor C G, and for the second part it's A minor F G. I'll put the chords up as we go along, okay? And the picking pattern I'll also put up here as we go along, but it's very simple. It's picking the top two bass notes of the chord pretty much, and then going right to the highest string and coming back down. So it would be like for A minor, it would be like 5-4, then the first string, the E string, B, G, so 1, 2, 3, right? And then coming down, so like that. And that's basically the picking pattern as I go through. I think someone asked me how to play it on here and I gave them the wrong picking pattern, finger picking pattern. But this is what it is and I'll show you as we go along. Let me play it for you first so you see how it goes. The words are simple, it's just J Ma. J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma, 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 J Ma, J Ma, and then you can pick it up if you want to, you know. Percussion, you can play it like J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma, J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma, J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma. So a couple different options. I think I only have, in the version I have on the channel, I only have the slow version, okay? So you can also play it different ways, you know, if you're playing like a Kirtan style thing with people and you want to make it a little more full sounding or give it a little more rhythm or pick it up gradually as you go along. That's usually what I do if I'm singing with other people, is I'll start, you know, slow and then it'll gradually pick up and then gradually pick up and pick up, get the energy up, okay? And then you come back down at the end, you know, to end the song, right? So let's get to it. So the first way that it's sung, the J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma, that's the first way. The second way is J Ma, J Ma. Those are two different chord progressions. So the first one, J Ma, that one is A minor. So A minor is, the sixth string is muted. You don't play that, so I just rest my thumb on it like this up top so you can mute it that way. And the rest of the strings are played. So it's open fifth string, A string, and then second fret, so third finger on the second fret on the D string, the fourth string, second finger on the second fret of the third string, G string, and the first finger on the first fret of the B string, the second string. The last string, the first string, stays open, the highest string, and that's an A minor. And the way I play it, picking pattern is, so 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I go to the C. Same exact picking. 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. C. 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So C chord is, I'll put it right here, but the notes are, it's on the fifth string. So there is an E in a C chord because the bottom's open. Also in an A minor, there's also an E on the bottom string. So you can leave the top open, but we're not picking it when I'm playing it. Okay. So for the C, it's the third finger on the third fret of the fifth string, second finger, second fret, fourth string. The third string stays open, you play it. The first string also stays open, you play it. And the first finger goes on the first fret of the second string, the B string. Okay? C chord. So 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the strings you play. You have 5 fingers, right? Conveniently, so so it's the same thing for that. It goes in that same order. So 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and your fingers are lined up with each string just like that. So A minor, C. So you kind of let that bottom strings ring out for 2 beats, right? So you're playing these. There's like a little hang on that one. Before you continue to the next one. J, Ma, J, Ma. Okay? And then G. So for the G, I do a full G chord. So the second finger on the third fret of the sixth string, first finger on the second fret of the fifth string, the fourth and third strings stay open. And then the third finger is on the third fret of the second string, and fourth finger, the pinky, on the third fret of the first string. Okay? And the notes I play for that, I skip the fifth string, so I mean you could really keep this off if you want to. You could keep the first finger off because I don't play it. But instead I play 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I skip the fifth string. Okay? 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, C, G, that's the whole first part. If you're strumming it, I go like that. I like to drag my finger because it gives it, I don't know, it just makes it feel good. so I do like a strum and then I do a drag with my finger. If you're using a pick, you do the same thing. It's like you try to make the notes sound one at a time. So I strum first, so. Okay, so I go down with a nice stroke. And then getting each string one at a time. So, right? So down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, that's how I strum it. So J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, J Ma, J Ananda Ma. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? That's the way I strum it. So, that's the whole first part, and moving on to the second part now. The vocal goes up a little bit higher, so J Ma, J Ma. J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma. Okay, so picking, same, so J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma. So same picking actually, same rhythm of picking, except there's just one different chord. So it's A minor, F this time, and G. The only one that's different is the F, so I'll tell you that. This is how I play an F. You can play an F like this if you want to, you know, with like the bar chord, where you just put your finger across the whole first fret, and then you would put your third finger on the 5th string, 3rd fret, your 4th finger on the 3rd fret, 4th string, and your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And then you would play everything. So you gotta press your bar finger down strong. But I play it like this. So I put my thumb on the 1st fret of the 6th string, if you can reach your thumb around like that. Then the rest of the chord is similar. So I put the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 5th string, 4th finger on 3rd fret, 4th string, 2nd finger on 2nd fret, 3rd string, and then I bar the 2nd and 1st string on the 1st fret with the top of my 1st finger, the pad of my 1st finger here. Okay? And that's it. So the way I play it is, and then same pattern, but I'm gonna go, I just play 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just like I play the G, 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F chord, 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G chord, 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F chord, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G chord, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 5. So A minor, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F chord, 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G chord, 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma, J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma. And that's it. That's the whole song. Again, you can strum the same way when you're doing that part. So down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma, J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma. J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma, J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma, J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma, J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma. The other way. J Ma, J Ma, J Ananda Ma, J Ma, J Ma, And that's it, that's the whole thing. So I tried to make it as clear as possible. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to clarify for you, all right? So until next time, take care. If there's any other songs on here you'd like to see a tutorial about, let me know. I plan on doing some more in-depth tutorials that'll take a little bit longer. Like if you've seen the Mom I'm Coming Home tutorial on here, I'll plan on doing more tutorials like that, and I'll probably put them directly on my website. So I'll put them in the description when I do get around to doing that, okay? Until next time, take care guys. See you then.